Good afternoon, grade 8. My name is Ms. Mugangwa. I'm your office practice teacher for today. I want you to ask yourself this question. Why did you choose office practice rather than choosing accounting or economics or entrepreneurship or business studies? So while you're thinking, office practice has two parts. It has the theory part and the practical part. But then we are going to concentrate on the theory part. And the theory has a lot of topics, okay? So today we are going to look at how important office practice is and the value of office practice. So in office practice, there are a variety of things that we learn, and it is very important that either you're doing accounting or you're doing economics or you're doing business studies, you really need to have a little bit of knowledge of using a computer, right? So us that chose, or you as a student that chose office practice, we have more benefits, more skills than those that are not doing it, okay? So in office practice, we learn how to store information, how to use quick data processing. We also learn how to communicate with our parents, our teachers, and friends, okay? And the other thing is that during your classes, you learn how to type. So when you type your information, you need to store the information, right? And then when you store the information, you need to send it to someone, which is your teacher, your friend, or a family member, right? And then after doing so, you need to print out. You also learn how to print out the information in a hard copy, or either you just send it through via email or WhatsApp group. So there are other things that we also learn in office practice that are also quite important for other learners to know. So to continue, we're gonna continue and look at the hardware and the software. What is hardware? Hardware are the physical components, okay? And then the software are the set of instructions that a computer is given to perform a certain task, okay? So there are examples of hardware. Before we come to that, I want to show you guys a photo of hardware and software. So they say that what you see is what you believe. So wait for this. Okay, after seeing that picture, there are a lot of hardware and software components. So we have the processor, we have the computer, we have the mouse, we have the keyboard, and we have the speakers. So the speakers, we use them for us to hear when someone records a video, and then we use the monitor, which is now the computer itself, and then we use the screen to see. We use the mouse to double click or move objects inside the computer, and then we also use the keyboard to type the information. For you to process the information, you need to type the information and then you send it to someone, right? So we're going to continue and also look at our next subtitle, which is the maintaining a computer, the maintenance of a computer. How do you maintain a computer? There are a lot of variety of things that you need to know in order for your computer to work properly, to work for a period of time or a long or duration, a year or 2 to 3 years. So I'm going to list them down and then explain them one by one. So we have you need to install your antivirus, okay? How do you install your antivirus? You either go to a shop or someone that has the virus, or you download it, and this helps you to catch viruses and fishy things that will corrupt your computer, right? Perform regular updates. You need to update your laptop. It makes things smoothly in your laptop. Your laptop will not be slow and it will not get stuck or something like that. Okay, and then you need to have a backup file in case that your laptop is shut down or it's broken, and then when it's fixed you need your information. If you have backup file, they will appear there. Okay, then you need to clean your computer. How do you clean your screen, the screen of the computer? You need to use a soft cloth. Please, you need to use a soft cloth to clean your screen or of your computer. Okay, and then the other thing is that when you are dusting the keyboard, you do not beat or hit the keyboard. You need to use a fan to, or what do you call this, a vacuum, to remove the dust that is on the keyboard. Okay, or if you do not have that, you need to take it to a shop for a professional to remove the dust. Okay, you need to cover your computer when you're not using it. You either use a cloth or a plastic that covers the computer for it not to have to get dust. And then you need to store your laptop not at a hot place or a very cold place. It must be a between temperature. Okay, if you put it in the sun, it might affect the screen and the ink will just, or you need to not put it at a cold place to also affect the computer. You need the other thing is that I want you to do a research on other maintenance of the computer, because there are a lot and I mentioned only a few and I do not want you to repeat what I said. So good luck, have a nice day, see you tomorrow.